In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use gift card in American Eagle 2026. First, open your browser and head to the American Eagle website. When the homepage loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. Take a moment to let everything finish loading so prices, promotions, and availability are current. Now look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the shopping bag icon. It often shows a small number indicating how many items are in your cart. Click that bag icon to open your cart. Inside the cart, review the items you plan to check out, confirm the correct sizes, colors, and quantities, and make sure any discounts or offers you're expecting are visible. If something looks off, adjust it here so the total reflects what you actually want to buy. When everything looks right, scroll to find the Let's Check Out button and click it to begin. Next, you'll be prompted to add your personal details for checkout. Enter your shipping address and contact information carefully and select your delivery method if prompted. Double-check spelling and apartment or unit numbers to avoid delivery delays. Once your details are confirmed, continue to the payment section. In the payment area, look for the option labeled Redeem a Gift Card. Click it to expand the gift card fields. You'll see spaces to enter the gift card number and the PIN. Type the gift card number exactly as it appears on your card or in your eGift email. Avoid extra spaces and be mindful of hyphens. Some forms ignore them, but entering the digits cleanly helps prevent errors. Next, enter the PIN. On physical cards, the PIN is typically underneath a scratch-off area on the back. For digital cards, you'll find it in your gift email. Keep this information private and do not share it publicly. When both fields are filled in, click Apply. Give the page a second to update. Your order summary should refresh to show the gift card amount deducted from your total. If taxes or shipping apply, those appear after your address is entered. If your gift card covers the entire order, your balance should drop to zero. If it only covers part of the order, you'll see a remaining balance. At that point, the site will prompt you to choose an additional payment method before placing the order. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the home page to your cart through checkout details and successfully redeemed your gift card on the payment screen. Take a final look at your order summary, and you're ready to finish up with confidence.